Good morning. Myself Prajwal Padhi. I am basically from Odisha, but I'm staying in Hyderabad for more than 2 years. In the last year, 2024, I have completed my graduation in B.C.A in computer application from Osmania University. And in the final year of my graduation, I got to know about the Evision Technoserve Private Limited, where they are uh, capabling the emerging fresher students to be fit for the MNC's companies to get their dream job. So I enroll myself as a candidate in the aviation technoserve, where they covering the main important technical skills which is important in the today IT sectors. So the topics such as CCNA, ITIL, Windows administration, virtualization, and Linux cybersecurity. So, which help as an individual or as a freshers who is recently graduated from uh, the college will get a kickstart with the career and know about the on-hand lab experience as well as how to deal with the customer and to exercise his knowledge and skills to be the better part in the integral part of the company. So I'm very much thankful to the aviation technoserve teachers as well as the staffs who helped me in uh, getting my internship done successfully, and and thank you so much.